Hello, good morning. It's Friday, the 29th of September, and we'll start off with we got the commitment to traders obviously tonight. We'll start off with the AUD USD. It's basically still coming down onto this support level here, so not really seeing a lot of movement in this, but we have a heavy short position by the commitment of by the commercials on this, and a commercial short ratio of 5.65 to 1. We're well below the 50 on the RSI, and we have had this quite nice fall from the recent highs. To be quite honest, there hasn't been a lot of movement over the last couple of days, so pound US dollar, the pound, a bit of strength in the dollar. It's come down onto this support line again, so we're expecting this to break through and follow right the way through to about the 130 mark, 1.2923 I've got on here. So we're well below the 69.1 and we're heading towards the 50. We've come down onto a little bit of support. We've tried, this is the third time we've tried to go through it. Hopefully that will break through today. Excuse me. Euro dollar, woo, 4-hour chart. This has fallen quite nicely over the last few days, and we have had a little bit of a bounce back. Expect this to fail over the next couple of days and to continue on the way down. We have a commercial short ratio of 1.58 to 1. USD CAD, we've seen strength in the US dollar. The Canadian dollar's gone up because the oil went up. So we've the last 2 or 3 days we've seen it sort of like stall at this resistance we've got here. So a little bit of a pregnant pause, but I expect that to follow quite strongly upwards. USD JPY would have been a nice trade if I'd have got long here. I really hadn't, I didn't really want to do it. I hadn't got the faith in it, hadn't got the conviction. But anyway, it's come up really nicely. I think there's more to go. We're looking for the RSI to go over the 69.1. And then maybe a sell back down through, depending on the traders' positions, the commercials on the commitments of traders. New Zealand US dollar, it's still at about this support here, so it hasn't made any more inroads into coming down. It's below the 50 on the RSI, and I do expect it to break down a bit lower. The silver, I've got one trade slightly in profit and another trade just below it. As the dollar picks up, I'll expect this to come back down through. Oil, we saw this nice candle up yesterday or the day before, and I nearly got in at the top, but anyway, as it started to fall, I put a trade in. I got another trade in down the bottom here, and I've got knocked out of it for a very small profit. We are below the 50 on the RSI. This is a 4-hour chart because I can't get the daily chart because it's a new contract with the broker. It doesn't make any sense at all. So anyway, sorry, I'm not feeling that well today, so I'll just keep it brief. And we'll see what the commitment of traders does tonight. Okay, thank you for watching.